Here we are in Arlington, putting together the finishing touches of this shaker style kitchen. Nice island with farmhouse sink, breakfast bar, extra storage. If you remember this house at all, but it was all closed up. Now it is all open and airy. Ready for Jimmy Toy with J3 painting and drywall to come in and put the paint on. And Michael Rogers and Natasha Rogers are going to come in and finish up the granite. And I'm not sure if we're doing a backsplash or what we're doing for the rest of this. Excited to see the finished product. Y'all have a blessed day.